Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Tech Insight. Today, we're excited to bring you an in-depth review of the 2025 Ford Mustang, and it's a real head-turner in this stunning red color. As you can see, the Mustang's design has been refined, with sleeker lines and a more aggressive stance. The LED headlights and tail lights give it a modern touch, while the iconic Mustang pony logo remains proudly on the front grille. Under the hood, our test car is equipped with the 5.0L V8 engine, producing 460 horsepower and 420 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds. On the road, the Mustang is a joy to drive. The V8 engine provides plenty of power, and the handling is precise and responsive. We also appreciate the various drive modes, including normal, sport, and track, which allow you to tailor the driving experience to your preferences. Inside, the Mustang's cabin is well appointed, with premium materials and comfortable seating. The 12-inch digital cluster and 8-inch touchscreen provide a modern and intuitive interface. We also appreciate the heated and cooled seats, which are perfect for long road trips. In terms of safety features, the Mustang comes equipped with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-performance sports car. With its powerful V8 engine, agile handling, and premium interior, it's sure to put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive reviews and insights.